With Daring Faith, Chapter 2, Part 2. And she took up her bonnet from the dresser and stood in front of the mirror, tying the strings slowly and deliberately. Amy looked up in spite of herself and saw her mother's reflection in the mirror. Such a grieved look she had never seen before, and even as she watched, tears trickled down Mother's cheek. Tears of grief for a daughter who would not repent of the wrong she had done. Suddenly Amy's hard heart seemed to tear inside of her, and she ran to her mother and threw her arms around her as tears came to her own eyes. "Oh, Mother, I don't know why sometimes I let Satan take over and do whatever he wants to with me. I don't know why I don't please Jesus all the time. I want to, truly I do. Now, anyway. I didn't before, but I do now." Her words were cut off by a catch in her throat. Then she added, "Please forgive me." Mother turned around and took her little girl in her arms. Punishment might have to come later, but all was forgiven.